So guys, it's time to na po kami with my mom and my dad and my Ototoy. So sayang lang walang si Otoy, pero alam kong nandiyan pa rin siya nasa paligid namin. So enjoy tol kung saan ka man. You're always in my heart, tol. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Enjoy! Kain muna tayo mga ka-vlogs.
And if you ever get